Hello all, this is Anmol from Madhya Pradesh. I am a person with vision impairment. Today, in this video, I'll show how we can buy and share cells in Grow app. In the last video, I have shown various fundamental options. So as you know, for visually impaired, it is very tough to handle the finances. So how we can handle it through the Grow app, I'll show now how we'll buy and share the cells. So here and my focus is in the Grow app as I already opened it. I'll go to any particular stocks. So this is the gainers options.
Large.
I will click on this large cap.
Small.
As I clicked on the large cap, all the large cap stocks are here.
United Spirits 1000.
United Spirits is there.
Component. Hindustan Unilever 2901.00.
Let me just click this on Hindustan Unilever and
Delhi's new food. Showing items 1 to 2 of
so here buy option came. I am clicking on as you open the stock, you have to just swipe on your left. That buy option will come to you. Okay. After this, what are the options? So here delivery, intraday and MTF. Intraday is that you have to buy the stock and you have to sell it within the same day. Delivery is for your long term holding. And MTF is not, I will not, this is just a futures option. So this is NSE means which stock exchange you are putting it. So I'm buying it from NSE. You can take it from BSE also. So I'm putting number of shares as 1. Okay. I'm putting it number of shares as 1 and I'm just putting it on. Clicking on buy button. If I click, it will be added on my portfolio. So for now, I'm just not clicking it. You can click it and it will be done. Thank you.
BreakFreeSolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.